You're having a hard time finding fall DIY stuff at Dollar Tree, this is your sign to go to Hobby Lobby instead, and I'm going to show you why. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Araceli and this is Aracelichanyt DIY. In my channel, you're gonna find tons of DIY inspiration and I love bringing you guys more unique DIYs, stuff that you may not see everywhere else. If you guys are into that, I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you some super easy and budget-friendly fall DIYs, so let's go ahead and jump right in. I'll be honest, I never thought I'd say I'd rather go to Hobby Lobby than Dollar Tree, but as you walk through the Hobby Lobby aisles, they are filled with holiday stuff, especially fall. Now, I went to Dollar Tree as well, and everything is just so empty and sad. This is literally everything that I saw for fall. Plus, if you go to Hobby Lobby, you're gonna get 40% off most of the time on these fall items. And to think that an individual pumpkin at Dollar Tree is going to run you $1.75 now is ridiculous. So I would definitely go with the pack at 40% off for less than $5. At $1.75 for Dollar Tree florals, I just don't think that's worth it for me anymore because you can see it's not that full. Now, if you stick to the $2.99 ones at Hobby Lobby, you'll end up paying $1.79, just a few cents more. And I don't know what's going on here with these price tags, but you do get variety at both Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby, but I think you have more of a variety on top of higher quality stuff at Hobby Lobby. Again, you're going to want to stick with the 40% off stuff to make it worth it. So let's look at these fall ribbons that are 30 feet long. There are different price points depending on how wide the ribbon is and then of course the design. But if you go to Dollar Tree, you're going to end up paying $1.50 per roll and you're going to have to buy at least 4 rolls to get your 30 feet of ribbon. Now on individual things like these napkin rings, I don't think I would buy them individually. I think it's cheaper to just get like the different stuff to make them. So like these wooden rings, that's the original price, but you get 6 of them, right? Then you can go to the fall stuff and get your inspiration from all of the other stuff. I mean, those are really expensive, but if you buy the little packs of like the pumpkins or the leaves, I think it's going to be a lot cheaper to go that way and just glue it. You can add burlap to your rings. You can add yarn. It's not going to be exactly like the ones that you're seeing here individually, but you can make them your own. I'm starting out with the banner from Hobby Lobby, and then I just looked through my stockpile and found this little quarter round thing from one of the hardware stores. I'm not sure. And I'm going to cut this one in half. Really long one. It's 48 inches long. Okay, so what I'm going to do on this one is cut out the flower part. I'm going to cut that out because I don't want this part right here. So it's still a banner, okay, but it has a bottom and a top, and then we're gonna make it into like a sign instead of something to write on. I'm gonna be doing some hand lettering here, and I'm gonna try to do it as close as possible. And I really like this saying, fall is proof that change is beautiful. Mine's not gonna be as nice as this because I'm gonna hand letter it. This does not look like it's hand lettered. And my font is gonna be a little bit different than that. All right, I have some of my markers here, and this is a bronze green. All right, let me reuse some of my frames here. This one. Stock out here. Let's see. I do have this one, and it's from Dollar General. I do have some canvas here. Work my way around the canvas, gluing all the pieces together. And as you saw, I'm just doing one section at a time. That way I can cut it and then like glue it and then cut the other piece and glue it onto the separate one. me on my socials at aracelichanyt DIY. There was one thing that I did see at Hobby Lobby that I'm like, that's too much. I think that it's going to be more affordable for me to put a couple items together from Dollar Tree to recreate it. Right here. Yep, bingo. Have this one that was from Dollar Tree. Right now you're going to find these at $1.75. I'm still trying to give Dollar Tree a chance, but every time I go, I end up so disappointed, and I feel like they don't have much as far as fall stuff goes. I saw some Halloween, but by now they should have a lot of fall stuff. I did end up getting 3 of these jack-o'-lantern cutout things. So these are $1.50. So I think for the size, this is pretty good. Let's go in here. Probably just grab like 4. First thing I'm gonna do is prop it up on some blocks, and then I'm just gonna glue those on like the outer edges. Use some tissue paper that I'm going to Mod Podge on here to give it a little bit of texture. Open it up. And then now I am going to be going into it with some deep yellow. This is from Dollar Tree. I'm going to use a little bit of a fluffier brush. I have the string lights from Dollar Tree, but since I already have some with the batteries already in there, I'm going to use these. These are from Dollar Tree as well. So that way when I put the battery pack back here, it's flush to those. But I'm going to make sure to leave this part up. That way I can take the batteries out if I need to replace them. I was going to glue them down, but I just wrapped it around the blocks. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you leave me a thumbs up, leave me any comments or questions down below, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!